Hello and welcome to the Golden Bold Cafe. We are so excited you decided to take this course. Obviously, the Golden Bold Cafe is going to look a little bit different this year than the way we intended because of our remote start, but we are going to make it work and it will be just as exciting and hands-on for you as possible. Okay, so a little bit about this course. So this course is dedicated to providing students, you, with a hands-on real-world experience by running a coffee bar. So obviously you are not running a coffee bar right now, and we brainstormed ways for you to try to run a coffee bar, and it is just something that you can do from your house. So you are going to do all the components that you would to prepare for a coffee bar. And we've modified it so you are becoming more skilled than you would have been, in making coffee drinks at school, because you wouldn't have been able to learn as much. So you're going to learn all about different coffee drinks and things like that. You'll develop menus. When you are in school, you'll maintain inventory, but you won't have any inventory to maintain at home. And then obviously safety and sanitation, we will be covering. So you're going to be, when we are in person, like a barista. So we have designed this as modules. So everything is housed in Schoology. We obviously have to review safety and sanitation. And then we'll start going through more of the cafe Golden Bold menu items. So you'll have training on cafe beverages, hot cafe foods, seasonal foods, customer service, and then how to be a professional and leader in the cafe. All right. Our learning outcomes for you, we have 4 of them. The first one is safety and sanitation, but we want you to be able to explain and demonstrate it on a regular basis in and outside of the cafe. You will practice with coffee beverages so that so we have demos we will show you. You'll have the opportunity to make these things at home if you have the necessary ingredients. If not, there's alternative assignments that meet the same need. You will become familiar with a variety of food items that we are going to be selling at the cafe. And then you will be working very much so with the other kids in Golden Bold. So you'll be working collaboratively with them, and you'll identify different leadership qualities that are necessary to run a business. All right. So we're excited to embark on this journey with you. Thank you.